Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play corner kick practice in eFootball 2024. So you can practice left and right corner kick. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can play this game, challenge the event, complete the mission, and you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the extras, tap the training, tap the free training, and as you can see there are left corner kick, right corner kick. Let's try the left corner kick first. So in this mode you can also select kicker. Maybe you want some right foot kicker. Try this one, Osman Dembele. He is right foot. And also you can switch view. You can do short corner also, and the player or the teammates will go to the near you, and you have to flick the ball. Make sure you master this free kick. This corner kick, because it will become deadly a weapon if you master this corner kick. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.